I'm going to show you how to place a call in Microsoft Teams. In Teams, you can place a call from a chat, from the command bar, from the calling tab, and basically anywhere you interact with the person you want to call. The most straightforward way to place a call is using the Calls tab. You can enter the number you want by clicking on your numbers. You can type them directly into the call bar, and then you just click the call icon to place your call. You can also call a contact by navigating to your contact list and selecting the phone icon next to your desired contact. If you don't see the person you want to call here, you can click the Add Contact button and search for them using their name or email address. That's how you place a call using the Calls tab. To place a call from the command bar, type a \, which tells Teams you're giving it a command, and then type call. Hit enter to input the command, and you'll be prompted to type the name or email of the person you'd like to call. Note that as soon as you click on the person you want, the call will go through. I'm going to use this method to call Alex.
Good afternoon, this is Alex.
Hi, Alex. We're going to demonstrate how to make a phone call with Microsoft Teams. Thanks for helping me out today.
Oh, you're very welcome.
All right, so anytime during the call, I can move my mouse to see the call options. I can turn on my video, mute my audio, share my desktop, and more. I can also open the conversation history with this button to see our chats. We can chat anytime during the phone call. You can also click the settings icon to make changes to your audio or video devices. When I want to hang up, I just move my mouse and click on the hang up button. I'm going to do that now. Bye, Alex. Thanks for your help.
Anytime, Stephanie.
You can also place a call from the chat tab. You'll notice that after my call with Alex has ended, I've been taken automatically to the chat tab, and this call has been recorded in our conversation history. In any conversation, you'll have the call icon in the top right corner. I can click this icon to make another call to Alex. If you have more than one person in your conversation, this will start a conference call with all of the participants. Of course, all the participants will need to accept the call on their side before you can conference with them. Lastly, you can place a call anywhere you interact with your contacts by using their contact card. This is one of the ways Microsoft aims to make communication easier than ever. I'm going to open my Teams tab. Anywhere I see a contact's picture and presence, I can hover over them to see their contact card. To place a call, all I have to do is click the audio call icon. I can use their contact card to start any type of conversation, an audio call, a video call, an email, or a chat. Those are the nearly limitless ways you can place a phone call in Microsoft Teams.